Hi guys, welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna show you how to put Need for Speed on your Windows 7 machine so that you start playing games or being learning how to drive, or if you want to, or if you know, then you're gonna just entertain yourself by using Need for Speed. Is it underground or what? It's underground. Yeah, you can speak. Is it underground or what?
Underground.
No, that's good. Underground 2. That's good. So we have a CD here for Need for Speed Underground 2. You can see it here. It's there. So now, this 13-year-old child is the one who plays this game. So I'm gonna tell him to do. Okay, do that. Put in, switch on the computer. Take out. Okay. Then put in the CD. He's gonna put in the CD. Then press it. Then presses it in. Then we're gonna wait for the CD to come in. You go to your computer. I think it's still not yet there. This computer is a little bit slow. Let's see. Windows guys, yes, it's starting now to roll in. I think it's fine. Wait, it still shows 0. Okay, when the CD is in, then you say click on open folder. Need for Speed Underground 2. Then you copy that folder. Copy the folder. Then you put it, paste it anywhere you want. Okay. Yes, it's still copying. Still copying this thing. We don't install it, we just copy and put it just on the desktop anywhere you want. Then we can go there and start racing. Still copying guys, be patient. It's almost sitting on 30%, so we remain with 70%. It's about to finish guys. We're pushing to 60%. We remained with 40%. So we're moving to 70%. That's something good. It's about to start. There's some stressful noise. It's finishing. Now we're sitting on 90. We're pushing to 100 now. Yeah, we're done. So once you see the folder where we put it, then you can close this. You can take out the CD here from your PC. Okay, after taking it, keep your CD in a safe place. Close the computer back. You don't need to reboot your computer. Just have to mouse roll over onto, where is the computer mouse? Okay, it's moving fast, I can't even see it. Okay, you double click in that, then you go maximize this, and you see, go down in the files, you can see a file called Need for Speed 2. This one down here. If we click on that file, we go to properties. We want to see these files. Need for Speed 2 Underground. It's 4 point something megabytes. I wanted to see what kind of a file it is. Details about the file. It doesn't show, like when you see other files show the extension and stuff. Okay, we don't worry about that much. We double click that. Once you double click on that, you're gonna see blank screen. You just press enter. You press enter. You press enter. You press enter, 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 enter. So the game is loading now. I'm gonna try myself. 1, 2, then I try to go. Okay. I wonder if I still know how to drive. Yo, I survived. Survived. Okay, hold me here. I wanna see if I can finish. Yo.
Look, so far he's last. He's number 2, sorry.
I've been lost.
As you see, on the left side of the screen is the map showing you if there's a sharp turn coming close by. And as you can see, these small orange navigation arrows are the other cars. As you see right now, he's third. It shows the leaderboard on the top right corner.
I'm losing, guys, but it's been years, man. I'm old now. I can't compete, but let me try. You know, when you're driving, even you can look at the map. Wow. Wow. There's a corner. Corner. Got it right. This side, I got it right. I got it right.
And he is number 1 right now.
Got it right. Yo, whoa.
And he
Gonna be a sharp corner here. Wow. Gonna pass me these guys. I'm number 2 now, I'm sure. Yo. I'm going there. Yo.
And on the bottom right corner is the gauges to tell you how fast you're going and what gear you're going on. And you can set it on manual and automatic.
Okay.
So far so good. He's second.
Wow. Second, but I'm finishing all the road signs.
And he's number 1.
Yes. Yo, this guy, the green guy, the green guy is challenging me, man.
If all these lights were in our city, it should have been nice. Good decorations and
the environment looks beautiful. Okay.
Almost there.
Yes.
You're on your second lap. One more lap to go, guys, and then he's gonna round this up.
Got that corner right. Now,
Your first corner you got perfect. As you can see, the game does not show pedestrians walking by, which is a good thing, because if they were, he was going to be running all of them over.
okay. Think so. Wow. Terrible accident, but still I can go. I don't know, I'm number what, I don't know.
He's number 1 so far.
Terrible sharp corner.
Looks like the other cars are gaining on you.
Sure.
That was a major accident.
What?
Thanks guys for watching this video. Please subscribe and wear your seatbelt when driving.
Yeah, see you in the next video. Thanks. Today I was doing a video with a 13-year-old boy. He just turned 13 this month of September 9. So thanks for watching, guys. I wanted to get involved with a kid because I haven't been playing this for so long, and also to see how to put the game on the computer, because I'm no more using Windows, I'm using Linux, so I forgot a couple of things. But anyway, I hope this video helps you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.